give it just a little bit of throttle, just see how it does.
Hang with me. Oh, yeah. It creates so much wake, I can't tell if it's peeing or not.
I'm assuming it is. It's got an alarm. Whether it works or not, I don't know. But been peeing real good the whole time. I wouldn't think it would stop peeing anyways. Got a brand new impeller in it, so.
Sounds like a helicopter.
I'm hoping when I give it some throttle that it don't cut out, you know. So far, so good, baby. I'm gonna stop here and check all the fittings and everything, make sure I don't have any water coming in just a second. All right, let me check the bilge. All right, bilge is dry. All right, bilge is dry, so at least we're not sinking.
Yeah.
It's on plane pretty good, doesn't it? Got some brakes on it too, doesn't it? Say hello, Kelly.
Well, what do you think, babe?
What do you think?
Runs good.
You like it?
Yeah.
I like it. Yeah, sure did. I thought I heard something pop.